Today, on September 9, 2023, I embarked on a journey through the heart of Austin, Texas, more specifically 6th Street, as the city buzzed with an electric atmosphere that only the anticipation of a hyped game between the mighty Alabama and the Texas Longhorns could evoke. The sun blazed relentlessly in the Texan sky, but the scorching heat seemed trivial compared to the fiery spirit that filled the air. As I drove towards 6th Street, it became evident that something extraordinary was unfolding. A sea of burnt orange and white engulfed the streets as passionate University of Texas Longhorns fans gathered in droves, their zeal and enthusiasm palpable from miles away. The anticipation of this monumental clash against the Alabama powerhouse was tangible, and it was impossible not to feel the excitement. The city of Austin, known for its vibrant music scene and eclectic culture, had transformed into a bustling hub of football enthusiasm. Bars and restaurants along 6th Street were awash with burnt orange decorations, Texas flags, and Longhorns memorabilia, proudly displaying their allegiance to the beloved home team. The energy was infectious, drawing people from all walks of life into the heart of this pre-game spectacle. My camera clicked away, capturing snapshots of this unforgettable scene. Fans, young and old, donned their Texas gear with pride. Faces painted in orange and white, hats adorned with the iconic Longhorn logo, and boisterous hook'em horns chants echoed through the streets. It was a sea of unity and camaraderie, where strangers became friends, bonded by their devotion to the Longhorns. Despite the sweltering Texan heat, fans patiently stood in line outside sports bars and restaurants, eagerly waiting for their turn to immerse themselves in the game day experience. Conversations buzzed with anticipation and speculation about the outcome of the game. It was as if time had slowed, allowing everyone to savor every moment leading up to the kickoff. My camera lens captured the vivid colors of 6th Street, with its historic facades serving as a backdrop to the spirited celebrations. The neon lights, iconic murals, and bustling crowds created a visual feast, a testament to the unique blend of culture and tradition that Austin is known for. As I reviewed the images I had taken, I couldn't help but feel privileged to witness this incredible spectacle. The videos and photos I had captured were more than just pixels on a screen, they were snapshots of a city united in its love for its team, a prelude to an epic clash of titans, and a testament to the enduring spirit of college football. So, with great excitement and pride, I share these images with our followers, inviting them to immerse themselves in the electrifying atmosphere of 6th Street, downtown Austin, on this scorching September day, just moments before the Alabama vs. Texas Longhorns showdown that would leave a lasting mark on the hearts of fans and the history of college football. Hook'em horns. For people who don't know the meaning of the words hook'em horns, they serve as both the spirited chant and distinctive hand signal representing the University of Texas at Austin. Students, alumni, and ardent university supporters employ this greeting, using phrases like hook'em or hook'em horns. It also finds its place as a warm farewell or a concluding note in letters and narratives. The hand gesture is designed to emulate the shape of the head and horns of the UT mascot, the Texas Longhorn Bevo. One extends their index and pinky fingers to form the sign while encircling the second and third fingers with their thumb. While the standard practice involves extending the arm fully, it can also be executed with a bent elbow. This iconic sign is commonly witnessed at athletic events, during renditions of the university's alma mater, the Eyes of Texas, and amid the spirited performance of the school's fight song, Texas Fight. It is among the most universally recognized hand signals across all American universities. It's worth noting that a variant of the horns gesture, created by inverting it with the thumb pointing outward, is often employed by rivals of the Longhorns and is regarded as offensive, mainly when executed by a player or coach from the opposing team. The origin of the hook'em phrase dates back to 1916 when the South's St. Paul Booster Club first used it during the St. Paul Winter Carnival. It gained national prominence through its adoption at the University of Minnesota during the 1930s. Interestingly, neither Minnesota nor the University of Iowa trademarked the phrase or hand signal. Additionally, a Texas basketball team during that era was known as the Hook'em Cows, which might have contributed to adopting the phrase and gesture at the University of Texas. In 1955, Harley Clark, a Tejas Club member and the head cheerleader at UT, introduced the hand sign. He was inspired by his colleagues Tom Bucks and Henry K. Pitts, who were casting shadows on the wall at the Texas Union. Clark showcased the sign to an enthusiastic student body at a football pep rally at Gregory Gym. Initially, not everyone got it right, but it quickly gained popularity. The Hook'em Horns hand sign swept across the stadium from one side to the other at the Texas Longhorn vs TCU football game the following day. Within a few years, the symbol became widely recognized among football fans nationwide, even gracing the cover of Sports Illustrated in September 1973 alongside a Texas pennant when the magazine hailed the Texas football program as the nation's best. Since 2004, the University of Texas has featured the slogan in a television advertisement titled Rallying Cry as part of the What Starts Here Changes the World campaign narrated by University alumnus Walter Cronkite. The ad emphasizes Texas as a hub for innovation and creativity without explicitly showcasing the hand gesture. Instead, it features an aerial journey over Austin, Texas, highlighting iconic landmarks like the Texas State Capitol and the tower of the main building while Cronkite delivers the slogan. These ads are typically aired during NCAA sporting events.